front of me is Samsung Galaxy M56, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and hitting Alarm at the bottom left corner. Now use this plus over here and adjust your alarm however you need to. At the top, set up an hour, then pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. Tap on alarm name to label it over here, and tap on all of those switches next to all of those features to switch them off or on. If you decided to enable all of them, you can click on each one on the left to adjust it. Let's start with alarm sound. You can click on one of those options like Spotify to log in, or hit ringtone. Choose allow. Tap on this plus at the top right corner to pick any sound from your device. Decide if you wish to play selected highlights thanks to this switcher. And then choose done at the top right corner to set up this song as your new alarm one. You can tap on one of those instead. Manage those two switches and adjust volume at the bottom. Then go back, click on vibration, pick one of those patterns, select silent and adjust intensity at the bottom. Go back, hit snooze and decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Go back one last time and click on alarm background. Now you can hit background at the top left corner. Choose allow all, pick one of those and hit done, or select background, select any photo from your device and click on done then. Either way, when you finished, hit save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it and click on whatever you want to. For example, if you want to disable it, you can click on turn back on for Tuesday, or just leave it like that. If you want to make some changes to it, click on it, change whatever you wish to and hit save. To get rid of it, hold it and tap on delete. If you want to adjust more alarm settings, click on those three dots next to plus icon. Select settings and manage all of those under alarm. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!